Happy holidays, honey.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's
So
go to
ghetto.
the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing.
Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica. My channel is called Is E Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I knew I was not going to be able to participate in Vlogmas due to the demands of my work schedule, but I was going to try to do at least a video every other day. But I started off December really sick. Most of you guys know that because I did a COVID test. I actually had 2 COVID tests the week of Thanksgiving, but come to find out it's just the flu, which I'm still getting over. I'm probably about 95% back to myself. You may can hear some of the congestion as I talk, but I wanted to participate in Vlogmas in some sort of way. So I think I'm going to dedicate 1 video a week to Vlogmas. So in this video, I'm going to decorate my coffee table behind me. I'm just going to, jazz it up with all of the Christmas decor. My colors this year are silver, white, and black. So I'm going to decorate the coffee table. And that's pretty much it. I may have some other things in store in this video, but we'll see as the video progresses. But you cannot have a Vlogmas video without the Christmas pajamas, as you can see. So check out the back of my pajamas, lifestyle lovers. Happy holidays, honey. And we're going to make like a Christmas drink. So one of you guys suggested that I try the, caramel apple spice a few videos back, because I was at Starbucks ordering my favorite drink, which is the white chocolate mocha. So I end up trying the caramel apple spice last week, and it was so good, honey. I had like 3 in the week. I think it was real soothing to me because, of course, I wasn't feeling well. My throat was sore. So I'm going to make one at home. So I have all of the ingredients. So before we get started decorating the table, I'm going to make a caramel apple spice on camera. So we're going to head over to the kitchen, make that, and then we'll get started decorating the coffee table. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so the ingredients needed for our caramel apple spice is, of course, the apple cider. I am going to take 2 cups and place it into the saucepan. Okay, and the next ingredient is some Cinnamon Dolce Syrup. I am going to add 2 tablespoons to our saucepan. And the next ingredient is some caramel dip. I am going to add 2 tablespoons of this caramel dip to the saucepan. And I am going to turn the stove on a medium heat. Okay, lifestyle lovers, once the caramel has started to melt and then the liquid has started to warm up, it's pretty much ready. You do not want it to boil because, of course, you're going to burn your mouth, but I'm just stirring it as it simmers. It is really good, lifestyle lovers. This is a real good copycat recipe. I could not find a straw, so I'm using one of Mookie's Capri Sun straws. So ghetto, but I couldn't find a straw. I don't know where my you know, like my reusable straws at, but it's really good. The only thing that I would recommend, that if you're going to try this at home, was get the caramel that comes in the squeeze bottle, because I bought the caramel dip, and the reason why I bought the caramel dip is because I know I would use it for other things. I like to dip the apples in the caramel dip, and the sauce I probably would only use for this. So I had to melt it down in order to kind of drizzle, and as you guys can see, I was struggling with the drizzle, even melting it down in the microwave. But just buy the caramel in the squeezable bottle, because it's more liquidy opposed to the dip. It's kind of thick. So, but it melted down fine in the pan. But it's good. This is a real good copycat recipe. It tastes just like Starbucks, I promise you. So I will link all of the items in the description bar. As far as the Cinnamon Dolce, I purchased this from Home Goods in a set of 2. It came with a s'mores one as well, and a small pump. So, but there is a recipe on Pinterest where you can make the Cinnamon Dolce homemade at home, but I purchased this syrup from Home Goods, and it tastes real good. So we'll go ahead and get to decorating the table. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I've already cleaned my table off, and I've already cleaned my glass vase off. This is the Eclipse vase from the gallery, and I've had it for a few years now. So I am just using some faux snow that I purchased from Hobby Lobby, and I'm going to start emptying the snow into the vase. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I purchased this black reindeer specifically to go inside the vase, and as you can see, it does not fit. So I'm going to have to place it in the front of the vase and use one of the reindeers from last year. So disappointed. Lifestyle lovers, so I think I'm done. What do you think? It looks good. I added the black because I kind of did something similar last year, but I had a glass table last year, and this year I have a white marble table, so the white kind of blends in with the snow. But the only thing I may add is some lights. I have some lights from last year, but I need to get some batteries just to see if they still work. But I may add some lights, but I think this is going to be the setup this year, 2020. So yeah, I like it, honey. It looks good. It just looks like it needs some lights. So, so yeah, I'm pretty much done. The Christmas tree is done. And I did that. I didn't do that on camera. because I don't know. I'm not a professional Christmas tree decorator. So to be honest, I didn't know what the hell I was doing. But it looks good to me. So that's pretty much the Christmas tree.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside.
So yeah, I have not decorated the kitchen yet, but I am going to do some things in the kitchen because I have a tree in the kitchen this year. So that needs to be decorated. So we probably will do that on next week's Vlogmas. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I was going to go ahead and end this week's Vlogmas here, but I think I'm going to try to go get some candles. This weekend was Bath and Body Works candle sale, and today is the last day. I did try to get some yesterday, but she said they sold out and they were restocking at 12 p.m. tomorrow, which is today. So it's about 11:30. So I think I'm gonna try to go get some candles. So, and I'm gonna take you guys along. So yeah, let's see if we can get some candles. I was just gonna not even worry about it, but I think I want me some candles. So let's go get some candles. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I have made it to the mall. I am at one of the least popular malls in Jacksonville. It's kind of like the deadest mall in Jacksonville. So hopefully I won't have to wait, and if I do have to wait, I won't have to wait long. But yeah, so I just had a whole reggae ride out on the way to the mall. So just a little fun fact about me, lifestyle lovers: when I'm riding in the car, most of the time I listen to the radio, but that's like in the morning when I like to listen to Breakfast Club when I'm taking Mookie to school. But for the most part, I am listening to Barris Hammond Radio on Pandora. I love reggae music, so I listen to it all the time, especially when I'm in the car. When I'm home, I like, you know, listen to Anita Baker radio, but I love reggae music. So yeah, so let's see if we can get some candles. It don't look like nobody out here, but we about to see. So let go. Okay, so no candles. She said, they did tell me yesterday, I don't know if you can hear me, but they did tell me yesterday that they were supposed to get a shipment in at 12, but she said they changed it to tomorrow, which I actually can come tomorrow because I'm on vacation. But I'm gonna try the town center. I'm gonna try another mall, which is probably the most popular mall in Jacksonville. Okay, lifestyle lovers, back in the car. So I'm gonna head to another mall, which is Town Center. It's probably the most popular mall in Jacksonville. It's always crowded out there. But the smart thing for me to probably do before I came way over here was to call. Because yesterday she did tell me that they had a shipment coming in at 12 p.m. today, but she said that that changed until tomorrow. And I don't know if you heard me in the mall, but I could actually come tomorrow because I'm on vacation. But I don't know if I want to spend my vacation running down candles. Yeah, you need to get your behind out the way. Get the heck from in front of me. So yeah, I don't even know if I want to come back over here tomorrow. And if I do, I would have preferred to not come today. So I should have just called. That's really my fault. Because I should have just called instead of jumping in the car and riding over here. Already in the same vicinity of the town center. So I'm just going to go ahead and check town center and see what it's looking like.
I know I have new aligners.
Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I made it to the store. The line is not that bad. It looks like it's probably about 10 or 11 people in front of me. And when you get in line, they give you a list of what they have left, so that's a good thing. But they do have mahogany teak wood. I love that one, so I'll stand in line just for that. And then I guess some other stuff. I think spiced apple, and they do have stress relief. I really love stress relief. So looks like I may get a few candles, and I'm just gonna stand and wait. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so I have made it back home from Bath and Body Works, and I just want to share with you guys what I picked up. So I have, oh shoot. So I have spiced apple toddy, midnight blue citrus. I have 2 of the stress relief. I have frosted Moscow mule. This smells really good too. I have party dress, which also smells good. 2 mahogany teak wood. And also 2 mahogany teak wood high intensity. So I purchased 10 candles all together. You guys know my limit is always $100, honey. So it was probably about $106 with tax. But I'm just glad I did get the opportunity to grab me some candles. But yeah, lifestyle lovers, I think that I pretty much covered the typical YouTuber first week daily Vlogmas in one video. I covered the Starbucks Christmas drink. I covered Christmas decorating or Christmas decor. I also covered the Bath and Body Works candle sale. That's pretty much what everybody has been doing this week. So I covered it in one video. Okay, lifestyle lovers, that's pretty much it for this first week of Vlogmas. I just want to talk about this sweatshirt right quick. This is actually not my sweatshirt. This is my son Mookie's sweatshirt. So me and Babe went out last night to grab a bite to eat, and I wanted to grab just something quick because it was kind of cool outside, and so I end up grabbing Mookie's sweatshirt. Once he finds out that I wore it, he gonna be like, bruh, why you want my sweatshirt? Because it's actually brand new. I bought it from Saks, but I just thought it was real cute. It has the YouTube logo, Facebook logo, Instagram, and Twitter, and then it says like, share, and subscribe. So yeah, I'm violating. Mom is violating. So when you guys see him in this sweatshirt, this is his sweatshirt. It's not my sweatshirt. I'm straight violating right now. But anyway, lifestyle lovers, I hope you guys were able to grab some candles. If you did not and you made it to this part of the video, I'm actually going to send you a gift card to Bath and Body Works. So all you have to do is like the video, thumbs up the video, comment below, and I'm just gonna select someone randomly, and I'm gonna send you a e-gift card to Bath and Body Works so you can grab some candles or soap or lotion or whatever it is that you want to grab. I will send you a gift card just in case you were not able to take advantage of the candle sale or whatever the case may be. I will select a winner a week from the day that the video is uploaded, and I'll reach out to you to get your email address, and I'll go ahead and send you a e-gift card to Bath and Body Works. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this first week of Vlogmas. I hope you have a great week, lifestyle lovers, and I will see you on the next video. Bye!